Now dear students, I am going to solve the problem number 2, that is the next problem of design of canal by Kennedy's theory. Here the discharge is being changed. You can see here the discharge is 50, in the previous problem it was 40, but the other data required is same. N is given to you 0.0225 and S is equal to 16 centimeter per kilometer. Here you can see one thing, that M is not given to you. So if M is not given, no problem, you can assume it as 1. Okay. So here, as now you can see that the discharge has increased. Means in the earlier problem it was 40, now here it is 50. So we will increase the depth to 2 meter and we will calculate V naught using depth as 2 meters. So you will get the value of V naught as 0.857. Understand? 0.857, ये आ गई आपकी V naught की value. Now you have to find out the area of cross section. So Q is given to you 50. This is the velocity that you have got. So area will come out to be 58.377 meter. Actually the unit is wrongly written here, square meter. It should be, no, it is correct. Yeah, it is area, it is square meter. Now this value of area you have to equate to the equation of area as you have done earlier. 2b means d you have assumed as 2, so this is 2b, and 0.5 d square will be 4, 2 square is 4. Now from here you have got the value of b, 28.168 meter. Now you have to find out the wetted perimeter. I advise you to do all these calculations yourself. Only then you will be able to understand and you will be having practice of solving the problem. So this is the wetted perimeter. Here b will be taken as 28.168. b is equal to 28.168 you have calculated. So how you will calculate p? P will be this 28.168 plus under root 5 into d. D is 2. You assume d as 2. So this you will get 32.64 meters. Now you can find the hydraulic radius by the formula A upon P. Area you have got here. Here you have got 58.337. So 58.33 just I have written here, and this is the value of P, 32.64. So R has come out to be 1.787. Now you can find out the value of C. You can see here the S has been converted for unitless ratio, and as you have already done it, 16 into 10 power minus 5, if it has been put here in the numerator, then the minus will go. So by this formula you have got the value of C as 49.76. Now with this value you will find the value of actual velocity of flow. Now here you can see V is equal to C under root R into S. So value of C you have got 49.76 multiplied by 1.787 multiplied by 1.6 into 10 to the power minus 4 and this the root will be on hole. So you are getting velocity as 0.841. What was the velocity, the value of V naught that you have calculated? It was 0.85, and here you are getting 0.84. Now here one method is being given to you how to revise the value of depth. No, here it's not mentioned. You see here, I will explain to you that the value of V, actual velocity of flow, that you are getting here is less than V naught. V naught was how much? 0.85, 0.857 perhaps it was. So actual velocity of flow is lesser than this. Now these two velocities should be equal. Only then you can say that your design is okay. It should be equal up to 2 places of decimal. Now we have to make these two values equal. So how we can make them equal? You see, we don't have any control over actual velocity of flow. इसको हम चेंज नहीं कर सकते. But we have full control over this V naught, because this is dependent upon D, and D you can change because you have assumed the D. आपने इससे पहले D लिया था 2 मीटर पर सेकंड, 2 मीटर लिया था आपने D की वैल्यू. तो अब आपको D चेंज करना है. Now the question arises on which direction you have to change. आप 2 से ऊपर लेंगे उसको या 2 से नीचे लेंगे, ये एक बड़ा क्वेश्चन है यहाँ पर जिसको आपको समझना है. You have to understand that in which direction you have to go. तो आपको ये हम बताएं कि आपको V नॉट को V के बराबर करना है. इसका मतलब V नॉट को आपको रिड्यूस करना है. तो V नॉट को रिड्यूस करने के लिए आपको D की वैल्यू रिड्यूस करनी पड़ेगी, बिकॉज V नॉट इज इक्वल टू 0.55 D to the power 0.64. ये है. So V naught is dependent upon D. So if you want to decrease D, you have to decrease, sorry, if you want to decrease V naught, you have to decrease D. D की वैल्यू आपको कम करना है तो V naught कम हो जाएगा. और फिर उसके बाद ये सारे कैलकुलेशंस आपको रिपीट करने पड़ेंगे. अगेन यू हैव टू फाइंड आउट द वैल्यू ऑफ V, एक्चुअल वेलोसिटी ऑफ फ्लो, और फिर कंपेयर करना होगा आपको. सो नाउ फॉर द नेक्स्ट ट्रायल लेट अस टेक द वैल्यू ऑफ D एज 1.8 आप ले लें. तो 1.8 से आप कैलकुलेशन करेंगे तो V नॉट निकल के आएगा इतना. आप कैलकुलेशन कीजिएगा अपने आप इसको. और फिर ये एक्चुअल वेलोसिटी ऑफ फ्लो है. एक्चुअली यहाँ पर कुछ गलत लिख गया है. दिस विल कम आउट टू बी लाइक दिस. सो अगेन इट्स नॉट कमिंग आउट टू बी इक्वल. सो वन मोर ट्रायल हैज़ बीन डन हेयर, and in that trial the value of D has been taken as 1.75. अब 1.75 से जो आपने कैलकुलेशन की है तो V नॉट 0.786 आया और V निकल के आएगा 0.785. So this design will be taken as correct because it is same up to 2 places of decimal, 0.78, 0.78. Now you will ask me a question that if in examination such a problem is asked, then how many trials you have to do. In examination you are required to do only one trial, and for the next trial you have to write the value of D, कि अगले ट्रायल के लिए हम D की वैल्यू कितनी लिखेंगे. फॉर एग्जांपल जैसे यहाँ पर आपने 1.8 लिख दी और छोड़ दिया, you will get full marks. Full marks only if your the value of D for the next trial is in right direction. If it is here you have written 1.8, or even if you write 1.75 or 1.7 or 1.6, whatever it is, it should be less than 2, then it will be taken as correct. But if you write it by mistake that next trial value is 2.1 or 2.2 or 2.3, that will be wrong direction. So some marks can be deducted for that mistake. But if you are writing the next value of D in the right direction and you are not doing the second trial, full marks you will get. समझ में आई बात कि आपको एक ही ट्रायल करना होगा इसमें एग्ज़ामिनेशन में, और अगर आप इसमें जो भी वैल्यू आई है उसमें जो नेक्स्ट वैल्यू आप डी की लेंगे उसमें आप की वैल्यू देखी जाएगी कि नेक्स्ट वैल्यू आपने पहली वैल्यू से कम ली है या ज़्यादा ली है, जैसा केस है। अगर इस केस में देखिए वी नॉट हमें घटाना था तो हमने कम ले लिया। अगर ये वैल्यू 0.841 से कम आई होती, मान लीजिए 0.83 आ जाती, तो फिर हमें वी नॉट बढ़ाना पड़ता, तो फिर हमको डी की वैल्यू 2 से ऊपर लेनी पड़ती, 2.1 2.2 ऐसे ट्राई करना पड़ता। तो आपको नेक्स्ट ट्रायल वैल्यू आपको लिखनी होगी कि नेक्स्ट ट्रायल वैल्यू हमारी डी की कितनी है, और उसके बाद वहीं पर आप छोड़ सकते हैं क्वेश्चन को, सोल्यूशन को, और आपको उसमें कोई मार्क्स का डिडक्शन नहीं होगा। ओनली वन ट्रायल इज़ नेसेसरी इन द एग्जामिनेशन। सो दिस इज़ द end of this method of design of canal, that is the method of Kennedy's method of design. This is finished here.